Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Six Sigma by MBB Mohit Sharma. I will start this video differently. I will ask you a question today. What is your instinctive approach to decision making? If you are naturally optimistic, then the chances are that you don't always consider potential downsides. Similarly, if you are very cautious or you have risk averse outlook, you might not focus on the opportunities that could open up. Often the best decisions come from by changing the way that we think about the problems and examining them from different viewpoints. Today we will discuss a technique which will help you broaden your spectrum of problem solving. 6 thinking hats is the technique that we are going to discuss today. 6 thinking hats can help us look at the problems from different perspectives. It forces you to move outside your habitual thinking style and look at the things from number of different perspectives. You can use 6 thinking hats in a meeting or on your own. It means when you are in a meeting room, you can use this technique, or when you are alone thinking about a problem, then also you can use this thinking technique. In 6 thinking hats, each hat is a different style of thinking. Number 1 is the white hat. With this thinking hat, you focus on the available data. Look at the data and analyze the past trends. Identify the knowledge gap and learn from your past mistakes is what this thinking hat does. Number 2 hat is red hat. Wearing this hat, you look at the problems using your intuition, your feelings and emotions. You can think how others could react emotionally to the solutions that you are going to propose. Number 3 is the black hat. Using this hat, look at the decision's potentially negative outcome. Means you play devil's advocate. Think about how the decisions can fail in the future and prepare contingency plan to counter the failures. Black hat thinking makes your plan more tougher and more resilient. Number 4 is the yellow hat. Yellow hat keeps you positive. It keeps you optimistic and it helps you see all the benefits of the decision. Yellow hat thinking helps you keep going when everything else looks gloomy and difficult. Number 5 is the green hat. Green hat represents creativity. That is where you develop creative solutions to a problem. Number 6 hat is the blue hat. Blue hat represents process control. It's the hat worn by the people leading the meetings or the brainstorming sessions. For example, when they feel that the innovative ideas are not coming, then they can direct activities into green hat thinking. Means you need to be innovative now. So this is how this 6 hat technique can help you enhance your decision making process. Let us take an example to understand this better. There's a team which had an issue with the accuracy of the invoice processing, which was leading to duplicate payments to vendors. 6 thinking hat technique was used. First, they collected the data and they analyzed the data for last 6 months. They were wearing white hat. Solution is proposed to re-engineer the system by converting the hard copy invoices to soft copy invoicing. This was a creative solution that was never been thought before. This will reduce the manual steps and avoid duplicate payments. So it was green hat thinking. During the project meeting, it was observed that the proposed solution was considered not compliant and difficult to implement. However, the positive thinking and the change management approach proved it to be compliant after convincing the authorities. So this was yellow hat thinking. Emotions of all the stakeholders were considered and proper change management plan was introduced, as vendors could have other sentiments and could oppose the solution. So this was red hat thinking. All the failure modes of the new solutions were identified with the help of FMEA. FMEA stands for failure mode and effect analysis. And then a recommended action to all the failure modes were prepared. This was black hat thinking. So by implementing this 6 thinking hat technique, the solution implemented resolved the problem forever. So friends, I hope you would have understood what this 6 thinking hat technique is all about and how this can be utilized for effective decision making. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. I will bring another interesting and innovative video pretty soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.